All right, so there's a whole heap of ingredients here. To make the perfect chicken burger, you need a few things. You need a really good quality chicken thigh. So you want the chicken thigh or the chicken leg deboned. It's a bit of a darker meat, and it holds a lot more sort of fat and flavor in it. So when you bite into that chicken burger, it's juicy and delicious. You want a really nice, soft, fluffy bun. So we've got a beautiful brioche bun here, and that's just gonna be, you know, like a little party in your mouth. You need some aioli to soften it up, and you need a really good marinade. So what we're gonna marinate it with is some citrus. So the citrus is gonna like semi-cook the chicken before you even put it on the grill, but it's also gonna help with the caramelization. So you're gonna have a really nice, beautiful, sticky caramelization, soft chicken. And then we're also gonna add some grilled pineapple. So you've got creamy, you've got acidic, then you've got, boom, pineapple, summer in the mouth. I'm gonna lay out 2 layers of Glad wrap. I'm gonna put our chicken in between, and then I'm gonna beat it out super flat. So, into a bowl, sort of 1 centimeter thick, beautiful chicken thighs that have been boned out. So we're gonna add a good glug of olive oil in there. We're gonna get a rind of a lime straight over the bowl. Whenever you're rinding any citrus with a grater or a microplane, make sure you do it over the bowl. Next, we're gonna add the juice of all this beautiful citrus. Alrighty, to that we're gonna add some hot smoky paprika. Also gonna add some caraway seeds and some turmeric. Give that a mix. Make sure your chicken's completely covered. So we're gonna put that marinated chicken into the fridge for about 2 hours, you know, let it marinate, let those flavors develop, and then we're gonna barbecue it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do 2 chicken burgers. So I'm just gonna slice 2 slices of pineapple, about 1 centimeter thick, all the way through, straight onto the barbecue. All right, so our chicken's been a few hours, and you can see, you know, that citrus has started to cook it. You know, all that turmeric, all those spices, all that paprika has really sort of gone into that flesh, and that's what you want. When you marinate anything, you want the flavor to go into the flesh. So that's ready to barbecue. Pop it on right next to our pineapple. Oh, you can smell that citrus straight away. Give it some salt, pepper. Oh yeah, how good is that char mark? Okay, so first step is we're going to throw down some beautiful homemade aioli, some tomatoes down as well. Pineapple's going to go down hot, straight off the grill. I'm going to add some chicken, avocado on top of that, some zucchini noodles, and then a little bit more aioli. And then the lid. Come on, chicken burgers don't get any better than that. Thanks for watching. See you next week, and check out Bondi Harvest.